You know that here in the Philippines, it rains a lot, and you want a gadget that you can carry around in any time without having a concern getting it wet. Now this is the second iteration of the JBL GO. Now it only costs 2,000 pesos or around $40, but you can get it as low as 1,800 pesos in Lazada and Shopee right now in time of posting this video. I'll leave a link down below so you can check it out. And with that said, let's begin with a quick review. Now I've never owned a portable speakers before, and this is the first time I'm going to use one. And at first glance, it is really compact. It can easily fit in your hands, and in my case, in my pocket. So in terms of portability, this is a good choice. Now the build and the design is different compared to the first version. This one has rounded corners which allows for a better grip in the hands and gives it a very sophisticated look. It has a rubbery material surface which makes it feels great to hold and makes it not slippery, and it also enhances its durability. Now here are the control buttons, including the power, the volume, the Bluetooth button, play and pause buttons are all located on the top of the speaker, but they are not clearly visible. On the side there's a USB connecting port and the auxiliary input covered with a rubber flap to prevent water from entering the ports, and later I'll be showing you if this is in fact a waterproof Bluetooth speaker. Now this feature is the biggest difference compared to the first version. The first version doesn't have waterproofing. Now the package includes a micro USB cable for charging, and that's the only thing you will have. Now let's quickly test the sound quality, shall we? Well, to be honest, it's not that great. Not the best for its price, for in my opinion, I've heard better. If you love bass, this is not for you. And the high notes also seems to suffer a bit. The mid-range is okay, but overall, it's an okay sounding Bluetooth speaker. But if you're looking for a great sounding speaker, you better look elsewhere. The battery is also not great. It only lasts me about 3.5 hours before the battery dies. And if you're planning to take this on a long trip, better have it plugged in on a battery bank to keep it running. Well, as I said, this is a waterproof Bluetooth speaker. In fact, it has an IPX7 certification, which means it can be submerged in water for about 30 minutes. It does what it's supposed to do. Another good bit about the JBL GO 2 is that the speaker is very easy to connect and use. I paired the OnePlus 5T during the testing period, and all I have to do is switch on the power button, switch on the Bluetooth, and pair the devices. It is super easy and super convenient. Now that wraps up my review for this product. I'd recommend this product for its good materials and build quality, but for the sound and for its price, not so much. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them, and I'll see you on my next video.